Choosing a marketing platform feels like a feature comparison. It's a strategic choice with massive consequences. What if you could triple customer retention? The data shows integrated brands hit 91% versus just 29% for single channel. This means serious financial performance. 40% higher response rates and an incredible 287% higher purchase rate.
And the penalty for failure is severe.
Over two-thirds of customers will switch after just 2 bad cross-channel experiences. So, how do you win? We'll show you the hidden failures, the core architecture of winning platforms, and a better framework. The primary issue is a lack of connection. Your customers expect a single conversation, but most marketing stacks are a collection of silos. This isn't a small problem. A huge 83% of marketers admit they simply cannot unify customer data across their platforms. This fragmentation creates measurement chaos, with conversion data varying by as much as 30% between your different tools. The financial drain is immense. Companies lose up to 60% of their potential marketing ROI just from managing disconnected systems. And it goes beyond tech. Without a clear measurement framework, even the most powerful platform becomes a cost center, not a growth engine. We've seen the true problem. Success comes from solving data fragmentation and inefficiency, not from having more bells and whistles. This begs the question, if it's not about features, what should we look for? You'll soon see the structure that separates winning platforms from the rest. Effective platforms are not monolithic. They have 3 integrated layers. First is engagement. The tools you see that send emails and run ads. Beneath that is the orchestration layer. This is the brain managing customer journey logic. The foundation is the intelligence layer, unifying all data. This is where AI becomes a superpower. It operates in the orchestration layer, using data from the intelligence layer to hyper-personalize messages. When you hear about AI failures, the true cause is a fragmented intelligence layer. It's an architectural problem. Bad data in, bad personalization out. So the key takeaway is this. Evaluate platforms on their ability to provide these 3 integrated layers. Is data unified? Is journey logic intelligent? Let's make this real. A platform like HubSpot excels at integrating these layers for SMBs, prioritizing an easy-to-use, all-in-one architecture. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is built for enterprise complexity. It offers highly customizable layers, but requires significant expertise to integrate and manage. Then you have specialized platforms that might focus intensely on one layer, like orchestrating complex creative assets, to fill a gap in an existing stack. But be careful of adding too many tools. Beyond a certain point, the complexity outweighs the benefits and your returns will diminish. The lesson is there is no single best platform. The right choice depends on your scale, team maturity, and goals. Are you buying a solution or an engine? We asked about the winning structure. While the 3 layers are the what, the how is a unified customer data foundation. This is non-negotiable. But even with perfect technology, campaigns can fail. A brilliant, unified strategy often gets pulled apart by the pressures on individual channel teams. The email team optimizes for open rates, the social team for engagement. Each team's local priorities fracture the customer's unified journey. Another complication is vendor lock-in. Choosing a platform with proprietary AP can make it incredibly expensive and difficult to switch later. So it's clear. Your choice is organizational and strategic. You must actively fight internal pressures and plan for long-term flexibility to succeed. Let's connect the dots. Remember that 40 to 60% of lost ROI from inefficiency? This deviation from strategic intent is a primary driver of that loss. The solution is the right architecture. A strong intelligence layer, the foundation of our model, is the system's defense against these competing pressures. This is where AI orchestration delivers true value. It's immune to local pressures, executing strategy flawlessly for a 7.2-point sales uplift. Therefore, the final realization is this. You are not buying a campaign tool. You are investing in a data and orchestration infrastructure. Choosing the right cross-channel platform requires looking past features to your data maturity, the three critical layers, and organizational challenges. The stakes couldn't be higher. It is the difference between fighting for every customer and achieving that 91% retention we mentioned at the start. Here's your framework. 1. Assess your data readiness first. 2. Evaluate platforms on their architectural layers. 3. Demand integration and flexibility. Stop shopping for features. Start architecting for growth. What's the biggest fragmentation challenge your team is facing? Share it in the comments.